Hey everyone, how we doing today? What's up, Pix? Hello, Gabard. I apologize, but I don't understand. I don't really know what language it is, but if you can please stick to English, would be awesome. What's up, GXR? Hope you're doing well. Let me know if the music is not too loud, if you can still hear my voice over the music. Maybe it's a little bit loud. So how are you doing, guys, today? Hello, Method. Good to see you guys. Very good to see the team. Crypto V, what's up? Crypto V, like EV. So all good? Did you guys manage to take some profits? What a long you take on BTC yesterday. Congrats. Yeah. Unfortunately, got yesterday. First, it was not a mistake, but I didn't plan to long, to be completely honest. Didn't plan too long, but I forgot to cancel the limits. So that's why I got in. But initially I just forgot to cancel the limits, and then because it was a mistake, I did a game with the chat and I said, okay, what we do, and they said close break even, so I got stopped out break even, and then you saw it went up. But that was fun though, and hopefully some people managed to take it and managed to make some money. That's the best thing. The best thing when the chat is printing. So what's up, Roger? What's up, Andrew? Good morning. Good morning. It's good to see you guys. Hope you got your coffee. I got mine, and I'm gonna drink a bit because it's gonna turn cold soon. Oh, Method, your green blood. Okay, because you have the same name on Discord and on YouTube, but not on Twitch. Okay. And as we can see, we're gonna go straight up into the charts. Okay, we're gonna start with the daily. All right. As you can see, guys, once again, that goddamn point of control area is acting as a res. Again. So, we're still not bullish. All right. And it's been a sharp rejection, right? You see that H4 candle? Wait, no, it's a bug from TradingView. Again, TradingView is completely bugged. What's up, CSN? What's up? You see the rejection? Right at the supply here. H12 supply. Where is it? Here. Mid-range. So yeah, not bullish at all for now. Not at all. Oh, it's the same. Perfect. What do you prefer, the yellowish, or do you guys prefer the yellowish or the white? I wonder that. The only thing that's looking good is that if you look at LTF, if you look at low time frame, you have, I will delete this. What do you see, guys? And let me know. I'm gonna read the chat. Let me know what you see. Focus on this area. Okay. Focus on this area in red, and let me know what you see. We're gonna do a small exercise together. Whoa, 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 whoa. Nobody? You don't see anything, guys? Demand and value area low. Yes, something else. Not something else, but you're missing. Yeah, we obviously had a pullback. Yeah, we had a pullback here. Yeah, sure. From that supply area, of course. But if you focus here, you should see something. FVG, exactly. Exactly, exactly. So yesterday when we had the push, yesterday, guys, we left that imbalance area. Okay? That whole area. All right? So what happened now? We filled that imbalance with the move to the downside. Double top, lower high, lower low. Yeah, you mentioned this. Yeah. So we indeed had that demand. So the price had a surge from that area. It left some imbalance. We filled the imbalance. We had demand, and we have also value area low just here. That was correct. Not. Now we're going to see if we can find some confidence with the fibs. Probably we have something. Golden pocket at the value area low. Yeah. So now you know that if you want to remain bullish, if you're still long, for example, if you want to stay bullish, you want to keep that level. Okay, you definitely want to keep that level and print a lower high, a higher low from here. And then remember, during the stream, this was the initial target. Okay, why? Simply because value area high, and it was resistance that we swept here before going back down. So I know you could target higher, you could say, yeah, 100, blah, blah, blah. But to be conservative, I think 99 is a good level. First time on your stream, are you going to take live trade? If there is a trade to be taken, yep. But if there is no trade to be taken, nope. Yesterday, we took a trade. We took Link already. So the entry was here. We took that one. We are still on Inch as well. Inch was the entry was at 14. We averaged down at 14.3. So we are also on Inch. All right. So we have an entry here on Inch. All right. So for now, absolutely no need to rush any trade. No need to rush. So if we don't see a good trade, we don't take trades. That's it. As simple as it is. But thank you for coming by, VChain. Appreciate. Thank you, thank you. BNB, yeah, we can watch BNB. Yep. Yep. It's been strong, relatively strong. Yeah. I was expecting a rejection from here and downside, but for some reason BNB is really strong. So we're gonna play with the momentum. All right, we're gonna play with the momentum. For now, it looks like it grabbed liquidity here. Okay, we'll see. The idea will be to wait for a pullback. Okay, we have imbalance as well to fill here, and this is a previous res that has been turned into a support, and then once we lost the level, we had a cascade to the downside. So this is going to be the level that I will watch to potentially go long. Yeah, maybe a small sweep to tap the fibs so we can see some confluence here. Yep, we'll see. But quite a strong move for BNB. Quite a strong move. We didn't check the dominance, by the way. Okay. Okay, so maybe you remember what we said during the previous streams, but the goal is to make a top here and slowly grind down towards the range low. So we could have some relief. We could have some relief on altcoins, okay, around here. If the BTC dominance goes down to the range low, we could have some relief. And then let's say you're exposed to alts, you want to reassess if the BTC dominance taps that level. You want to reassess because, as you can see, it's been an area that served for the dominance to bounce. Okay, so we monitor this. I'm not saying I'm gonna go there. We might stop here at the middle and go up again. So we're gonna reassess once we are here. But for now, what you want to look at is, okay, is this a top for now? Local top, and are we going back down to the range low? If it's the case, sorry, then you will see at the same time some relief on total tree. Total tree is once again at resistance, by the way. Okay, so the daily close will be extremely important. I want you to pay attention to that area, guys. You see all the pin bars. Okay, it's crazy, right? Okay, so you want to see this area being flipped on the daily. Okay, so yesterday we had a nice close above. Okay, but now you want the confirmation. You want the confirmation here. So you want that candle to close green above that level. Okay, the level is 900 billion. And that would be a first good sign for altcoins. Can you do AI XBT? Yep. AI XBT. Oh, wow. Wow. Is that a meme coin or something? Maybe there is more data on another exchange. I don't see anything bullish, to be honest. I don't know what's your play. Maybe you're short, so you're printing good. But right here, I don't see anything bullish. Absolutely nothing. It's wow. I don't know if you're, or maybe your spot, you're buying this spot. If that's the case, then you want to pray that this support is holding. For now, it's maintaining the price of load, but you see that if we lose, you know, it opens the gate for lower, all right? And then you could expect another move to the downside by 30%, something like that. So be extremely careful. There is absolutely no momentum on that one. I don't know the project. I don't know if it's a meme. I don't know if it's a solid project with fundamentals, but for sure it doesn't look good. It just doesn't look good. We're gonna keep an eye on that BTC. We're gonna keep an eye on that ETH. Yeah, it's you want to see something fun, guys? You want to see something fun? Look, I got tagged yesterday on a tweet I posted previously. Look at that. Probably higher. Probably here, yeah. Look at that. January 29. Forgot to mention, if Ethereum pumps, don't trust it. That bitch ain't loyal. Are you a range trader? Yeah, mostly. Mostly. Are we gonna retweet that one? Because that's crazy fun. That was indeed a good reminder. It's fine though, it's fine. But regarding ETH, the plan is still the same for me. And I will explain. We're gonna just pull that to the right. Okay, you see here guys on H12, and you have the same on daily. If you switch to the daily chart, you see the same thing. All right, you have a demand here, strong demand. So this is a little bit in the middle of nowhere in my opinion. This whole area, it's not really a good area to trade unless you do fast and aggressive scalping. But for me, the main level before obviously the low here is that daily demand. Okay, I would like the price to tap that daily demand and then go up, and this is where I will try to position myself. Okay, so it's around 2450. This is where we'll be interested to build a long position on ETH. All right, for now, as you can notice, this is still a res. The previous support, okay, here you can see that drawing is ugly as hell. But the previous support that we had here has turned into a resistance here. All right. So you only have two options. It's either we flip and you long the retest, all right, or you short towards the daily demand and you long inside the daily demand. All right, you get it. So surprisingly, it's weak. It's weak. I use the yellow rectangle here to highlight the value area. Okay, it's so you guys can see it better on the stream. Okay, for Sol, the plan hasn't changed, by the way. Still looking at that area. Okay, it's extremely weak for now, so I am expecting the level to be tagged if BTC is doing another drop towards 94 or 93k. We'll have the level here on Sol, and this is the level where you want to try something. Okay, if this doesn't work, we're gonna play level by level. Okay, if this doesn't work, we're gonna pay attention to the point of control here, and then 120-ish. All right, as you can see, it makes a lot of sense. Look, this area has been a huge support for Solana. Okay, so if this doesn't hold, we're gonna pay attention to these levels. Is it clear? Do you understand my POV? This is also the value area low, by the way. Okay, of that impulsive move. All right. What else can be fun? Inj is trying to hold. That's good. Link is still okay. We have no reason to worry about. Hype is hella strong. The purple box is my target. Okay, purple box is the target. Now it's under resistance. Okay, we are still under res. Right here. We pull this, we make the chart clean, we remove the drawing. So we're on the res, so there is nothing to do. And exactly the same as Ethereum, you have two options. You try, if you want to try to short, but I don't recommend. Why? Because it's one of the strongest assets. It's one of the assets that held the most, okay? So I would better look at this area to go long. or wait for the flip, like we said for ETH. Okay, and you could target 25-27% move, which is good. And if you target the purple box, then you would have something like 40%, right? So here, nothing to do on hype, just wait. You just wait. It's too risky to enter here unless you have a spot strategy and you have strong conviction that hype is going to go higher and higher and higher. But otherwise, I don't recommend to enter here. Okay. We have Tao also still in the trade. Still in the trade. Doesn't look good though. It's pretty weak. Pretty weak. All right. For now, we're still trying to hold the value area low though. As you can see here, we'll zoom in so you can see better. Right here, okay? And I don't want to lose that low. Otherwise, it will be bad. Like for the trade, it's going to be bad. And as you can see, we're still in that configuration. Lower high, lower high, lower high. Lower low, lower low, lower low. So hopefully we see a reversal from here. Otherwise, that's gonna be a bad trade. That's gonna be a bad trade. Nonetheless, the risk reward is very interesting because the target would be value area high and range high as well. So as you can see, we can expect a very large move. So the risk is worth it, in my opinion. Okay. What else can we watch? What else? LTC is still strong. No problem. Absolutely no problem. Ondo also is still strong. We're gonna go on H1. Wait, it's approximately this. It's not really accurate. We have something here, yeah. Now let's see the other chart that I have on Ondo. Here. We go on H12. All right. So here on that H12 chart, as you can see, guys, I am expecting the price, or I want the price to fill the FVG that we have here. You see, it almost got filled completely, but we still have that area left here. Okay. So my plan was to wait for that FVG to be filled and to enter. Okay, now we have something looking a bit different on LTF. We are holding the lows here, so we're gonna see the reaction on that layout. I think I will keep it like this. I will add the volume profile just here, point of control, value area low. So yeah, I'm gonna check what we have around 130. Yeah, it's 129, and on the other chart anyway, it's wanted to enter 126, 127. So pretty similar. Curve, yeah. Curve also, it's not looking bad. Wait, I have something on Curve. I have something. Daily. All right. So we had the daily imbalance. We can also have the daily demand, which is right here. Okay, boom, daily demand. All right. So the imbalance got filled. We still have that FVG here that I'd like to fill. We are still at the OTE. Okay, you see if you pull the fib from the low, the start of the impulsive move, to the swing high just here, then you have your fib levels and you get the optimal trade entry right here. Okay. Now you probably understood. You want to stay above the daily demand right here. We are struggling to go past to go through that bearish order block on the daily. Okay, so the price might stay here for a little while for a good reason. Okay, we have probably people watching a support in that area and people looking at resistance in that area. So we'll see who wins, but for now you might be chopped up if you try to trade CRV. Okay, nonetheless, I do believe that for spot this is a good level. We retraced a lot. You see from here we retraced damn, yeah, 65%. Okay, following the plan. Okay, I think this is a very good area. So yep, we'll see how it plays out. Are you gonna take a long on BTC? No, I don't intend to long BTC here. The only way I could long is if we retest. You see here, we'll put an alert 95.6, 95.5. May you share your plans for the rest of the month if you have any to share. For the month, it's gonna be difficult, Kundai. I cannot share like plans for the whole month because I'm doing this shit daily, you know. Day trading. I'm doing day trading. This is what I meant when I said I'm doing this daily. So to have plans for the month, it's very difficult. The only thing I can say is that I'm expecting I'm looking at we'll show you at the PCE at the end of the month. PCE. You see February 28th. This is what I'll be looking at and what I will be monitoring very closely. Okay, because we had bad inflation data yesterday, and this is going to be the next inflation data, and you know that we have a lag between the actual inflation and the figures that are being released by the Bureau of the Labor Statistics. Okay, so this is going to be very important, extremely important. Okay, you know what, according to the charts, I explained everything in the Discord, but according to the charts, I was expecting a drop in inflation. And you see yesterday that we had an increase. Inflation was going up. So hopefully I was just too early, and my estimation is going to be accurate, but for the PCE. All right. So we'll see. We will see. It's going to be extremely important. So yeah, if you have good numbers, and you can expect a bullish March going into the FOMC, maybe a surprise for the FOMC, and then yeah, altcoins going up. But I mean, there are a lot of conditions. Okay, you need a good PCE, you need a surprise during the FOMC, and only if you get a good surprise during FOMC, you can expect an alt season. But the market is really data driven. You know, the market is data driven, so to make plans for the next month, personally, I wouldn't try that. I wouldn't try that. What you think about PPI today? Considering the bad figures that we had yesterday, I have very low expectations for the PPI today. You see, the forecast is an increase, so I don't think we're gonna have any surprise. What's gonna be important is the unemployment claims. This is gonna be really important too. The only good surprise we could get from the PPI is if it's lower than the expectations. But considering the high inflation yesterday, it would be surprising, to be honest. It would be surprising. We might meet the forecast, or maybe instead of 0.3, we're gonna have 0.2 or something. But I'm not really optimistic, Rafaga. I'm not really optimistic. Pay attention to this as well. Ideally, we go above 200 for 17. Ideally. Good morning, by the way. Good morning to Rafaga. Thank you. Thank you, man. Okay, BTC is trying to hold. We'll see. I have an alert. You see, I've put an alert at the value area low at 95.6. So let's see. Might try a scalp if we get here. Might try. Link. Oh, come on. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Link also trying to stay above the point of control, which is good. So we could have another impulsive move. But keep that in mind. I don't know if you guys are watching Link, but you see that area is a big res. Slightly below $20. This is a big resistance level, okay? So monitor that one. If you are in a trade or whatever, and if you didn't notice, this is a big resistance level. So pay attention. Pay attention and don't miss your take profits. Ethereum, please. Yeah, we checked ETH already, and that's the plan. That's the plan because of the daily demand that we have just here. Daniel Okada, hello King, can you chart OP? Yeah. Yeah, sure. And what you think about the CME short positions? You think they are hedging new spot position, or you think they truly bet on an Ethereum crash? I think they truly bet on an Ethereum crash, or they're probably hedging their BTC positions. And if you look at Ethereum against BTC, then you can notice that it makes a lot of sense, right? If you hold BTC, then shorting ETH is the perfect hedge. Okay. So for OP, we had this level of support here. It's crazy. We had exactly the same thing happening on OP. You see here, guys? We had a weak liquidation event. Then it went back up at the same area. Look. You see that? You see it looks pretty similar, right? Weak to the downside, small consolidation up. Damn. Crazy. But also I think OP around $1, if you have Ethereum convictions, I think that OP around 1 is a very good bet. To your levels, there is a better entry like 2600. 2600. Why you would enter 2600? Yeah. Tau is towing. Yeah, Tau is always towing. Yeah, potentially this could be for a scalp on ETH. Yep. This area has been holding, so yeah, why not? Why not? But for HTF, you'd like to wait for this area to be reclaimed. Either you wait for the price to go lower and you enter here, and you can even DCA until range low. Otherwise, you wait for the reclaim of this level. But if you want to scalp, then why not? You can try. Yeah, you can try here. But for me, scalps are better with BTC because altcoins can be tricky. What do you think of ADA shorts? We're gonna figure that out. We're going to figure that out. Oh, interesting. The price literally came here, and we had that bullish OB. It looks pretty similar to CRV. We swept that daily order block. We have another one here. So if you can, if you have the price, what's up, Radu, by the way? What's up, man? If you have if the price is holding here, okay, then ADA can be a good bet as well. Yeah, it can be a good bet. Now it had a nice pump because of the narrative, the Trump administration narrative with Charles Kinston being close to Donald Trump and Elon Musk, and working with them. Not really following if there is some news coming or whatever, but technically it's either the OTE right here or that one. Okay, we have value area low as well. We have that daily out the block that is holding the price now. So yeah, why not? You have the two options. If you try something here, you want to be sure that your invalidation is at the very least below the level here. Good, and you? Good, man. Good, thank you, brother. TRB. TRB. One advice that I could say is avoid touching this. This is a manipulated coin. Like it has always been manipulated like crazy, so you should avoid. Like, unfortunately, it's not made for you. Only the market makers make a hella good money on it. Yeah, and you see this, which is not looking good here. My pleasure, racing pets. My pleasure. For TRB, you see, it's not good, man. It's not something you want to be bullish on. It even looks like a short here. But just because it's TRB, I wouldn't even try a short. I would just not touch it, because even though that short looks clean, because it's CRB, it can just go like this, you know, literally like this, like it did here. You see here, then you see you have like huge pumps like that, then huge drops, then huge pumps again, huge drops, then huge pump. Like it's nah, man. We didn't check DXY and S&P, by the way, and I think it's still important. So DXY is holding. S&P, sorry, is holding. I think I said DXY instead. What about Potcoin and Popcat? Man, you're gonna do them all, like TRB, Fortcoin, Popcat. What's next? Man, be careful. Like I'm joking, but be careful because I guess if you ask me to check all those coins, it's because you're probably exposed or you're looking for an exposure. And be careful, like for real, be careful. S&P is looking good. It's still holding the support. We had a very nice reaction yesterday, even on bad CPI numbers. A very, very good reaction, actually. All right. So as long as it stays above, probably PPI will bring some volatility, but as long as we stay above that level, we're fine. Also, we saw some weakness on the DXY side. And today with the news, I would like to see the price losing the level. Like, it's been way too long. We need to lose that support level to see risk on catching some breath, you know. Try to convert you to a DGen this year. But the reason I'm asking about the last week is I bought spot for pop and fought on Monday. Yeah, which I would check the chart. I would check the chart. But yeah, I want this to for DXY, and then losing the support will open the gate. But for now, still, it's holding this like a Chad. XO, you want XO? Alright, so for now it's holding the structure pretty well. It's hella strong. Like for XO is hella strong. Yeah, so for now you still have that support. Maybe we feel the weak and we retest the support level here, or we still climb up, you know. But XO is one of the easiest to trade currently because it's in up only mode, so you just have to spot the demands or all the blocks, and you just long them, and you see you have like absolutely zero drawdown, nothing, just straight up. You said so. Altcoin, oh man, like just typing the name. I feel dirty now. Probably need the shower. Structure is still trash. Okay, the structure is still very bad even after 90% drop. Right. You had the daily supply here. Daily H12 supply just here. And yeah, probably you're trying to build a support area here. If you bought spots, you just want that level to hold, otherwise then you can expect that coin to be dead for real. I do believe it's dead, but you know, if you lose this, it's too early to tell, but we are trying to form something here, even here. If you zoom in on the time frame. All right, you have this area. Okay. And you see for now it's holding the price. Your main resistance is here. Oh, my mouse is dead. Wait, I just need to use the cable. Okay. Is it working? Hello, come on. Okay, it's working. All right, so yeah, you see you have that level for now currently short-term LTF support, but you lose this and it opens the gate for much more. Much more. Regarding Popcat, it had some relief thanks to Coinbase, I guess. Yeah, I'm still on link, brother, still on link. Same thing here, resistance level, and your support will be around here. Yeah. So for Popcat, obviously you flip this area, you see we have 2 rejections. You flip that area and you're good to go. But for now, rejecting, it looks like a good short towards the support level. Now we don't have a bearish div yet. Stochastic RSI is crossing bearish. So yeah, look at the 33 area to be flipped, Kundai, and if you see a flip, then you can trust. Now we're trying to change the structure, as you see, on H4. This is LTF, okay? So keep in mind that HTF still looks trash. But on LTF, you see, we are trying to do something. So the price could do this, something like that, right? If you're bullish on it, you want to see the LTF structure, greens to the upside, and then until the HTF structure changes as well. Okay, for now, HTF still looks bad. You see that HTF is still bad. Invalidation for link. Invalidation for link. Basically, it's losing the low here. Oh, come on. If we close below the range low and the value area low, then we can just exit manually. Yeah. You can exit manually. But for now, it's still fine. It's still relatively fine. Anyway, I don't think we get a major movement before the PPI. Definitely not. Yeah, we have a contraction on the VIX, so we might expect a move. Yeah, contraction, and with PPI we're gonna go up. Dot, and it will be the last one, guys, and then we'll go for lunch because I have to prepare the trading plan for the group, the plan of the day, and to prepare some videos as well this afternoon. So it's gonna be the last one. What time are you live on Twitch tomorrow? Tomorrow, let me check the schedule that has been posted at 3 p.m. Brother, 3 p.m. Tomorrow, 3 p.m. And I just checked yesterday. We are soon to be Twitch partners. We just need a little bit more viewers, and then we'll get partners. Damn, like I was trying in 2020, you know, and I was like, no way, I'm never gonna be a partner. And now we are very close, very close to it. Also, may you share like what PC and headphone or earphone you use? Need some advice here. Seem like you have a good arsenal. Yeah, I will tell you. It would be nice to end the stream on that. For that, you see, you have this area, but you want to hold. You lose the level, and definitely you're gonna feel the wick. Why I'm saying for that one we're gonna feel the wick? Simply because the bottom of the wick is perfectly aligned with a major HTF level. You see, you have a strong daily level here, and this is also where the previous week stopped. Okay, and again here. So this is definitely the most important level on DOT. So now we reclaim that support. Okay, so let's say we have a move to the downside, we pull back a little bit. Okay, then you want this to hold. If it doesn't, then you should be confident to beat that level 3.8, because you know it doesn't come from nowhere. It's a very important level for DOT. So now I think it's a little bit too late after that move. So you really want to wait for this level, and then that one if we get here. All right. And now regarding my setup, I'm using this right now, current. And I say current because I ordered a new rig and I'm waiting for the items to arrive. But I have an RTX 3080 Strix, so this is the high end. I have Ryzen 7 12 cores. I have 32 gigabytes of RAM. I have 2 tera of storage memory. I would specify hard drive plus SSD. I have water cooling system plus 12 fans. What else I can see? I think that's pretty much it. And for the earphones, I'm using either Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro or AirPod Max, depending on what I'm doing. When I stream, I like to have the Galaxy Buds, and when I'm like working, doing some videos or listening to music while playing video games, I like to have the AirPods because the sound is better. But when it's to stream, I like to have this. So this is the current setup, and for the next one, I'm waiting for so we'll say it's on delivery. It's on RTX 5090 Astral. It's a Ryzen 7. That one, 60 gigabytes of RAM, 5 teraoctets of memory, hard drive plus SSD 2. All right, still a water cooling system with LCD screens, and I will use the same earphones. I'm not gonna change that. So that's the current configuration. This is for both streaming and gaming. Like if you play on I don't know, full HD, it's a bit overkill. Okay, so the monitors are very important, and I play on the Samsung 28 Odyssey plus it's a AOC 27 2K screen, plus it's a Samsung, I think. No, it's an Acer 24 screen. So that's my current setup. Okay, you can do pretty much everything with this. Okay, so unless you have $6,000 to spend, then this is a bit overkill, like really overkill. I think you can get something pretty similar for less than 2,000, much less than 2,000, probably 1,500, 1,600, maybe 1,700. You can get something like that. And as you can see, I am able to stream with a pretty good quality. I can play video games. I'm not playing in 4K because I don't really see the difference on a small monitor. So for me, 2K is plenty enough. So yeah, you don't need such a thing if you're not streaming and playing the very last games, video games. All right. So on that note, guys, it was cool to have that morning stream with you. I will be streaming this afternoon in the Discord and tomorrow on Twitch. Yeah, tomorrow we'll be on Twitch for the US session. So thank you very much for attending. I hope you have a great day, guys. Thank you for the support as usual. Stay safe, take care. You have the news this afternoon. You have the PPI news. So be careful with your trades. Manage your stop loss. Be ready to exit the trade if things are really bad. And yeah, see you tomorrow, everyone. Once again, thank you very much. Bye bye. Wish you the best. See you guys. Peace.